Couldn't have asked for a better beach day today, and a lot of people took advantage of it.
Hey, we needed, oh yeah, absolutely. It was so packed out there. We needed it though, right? 81 degrees, partly cloudy skies, just gorgeous. 54 this morning. Well, I mean, we had 30s around on Sunday morning, and yeah, it was chilly and breezy through Sunday, although I thought the afternoon was nice. Today was gorgeous. Tonight we're looking pretty good. This is the view from the Mid-Florida Credit Union building in downtown Lakeland, and high clouds, tough to see here, but high, thin clouds streaming in, and we'll kind of keep those through the overnight hours. 68 right now. Those clouds, believe it or not, even though they're high, they act a little bit as a blanket, and so lows will only go down into the low 60s for tonight. You can see them streaming in from the west here. No rain associated with those, at least not yet. There's a pretty good storm system in East Texas moving into Louisiana. We're going to get the bottom southern half of that, if you will, and that'll be tomorrow late in the afternoon or early evening hours. That's going to be our chance for storms. So we've got between now really in about 5 to 6 o'clock p.m. tomorrow before we have really any weather in the area. 69 in Safety Harbor right now, 68 MacDill, 70. Davis Islands and Tampa, 67. Odessa, Trinity, and Land O'Lakes. Seminole at 69. 70 right now in Plant City. And we've got basically mid-60s for most areas inland. Hardy, DeSoto, and Highlands. Not a whole lot of cold air around in the southeast at least. 57 in St. Louis, Atlanta, 54. You can see even D.C.'s in the mid-40s. We're going to get a taste of cooler air, but not much behind this next system, so no big cool downs coming. This is the forecast for overnight tonight. Again, low to mid 60s, nice and mild. And yeah, tomorrow, the first half of the day to me actually looks good. Still head to the beach tomorrow. It's going to be another great day for it. That's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Look where the storms are, well offshore. But again, some high clouds coming through. That's about 4 o'clock. Isolated shower pops up. This is 7 o'clock. We're starting to see some storms pop. And then here comes the line between about 8 and 9 o'clock. It wants to reform here. Some of these storms could be a little bit on the strong side through about 11:30 midnight as they move out of the area. Storms will not last long in any one location, but from about 6 p.m. through about 11:30, 12 o'clock, we will have storms in the area. So keep that in mind. Get the app and you can track them on the radar. And plus, we'll be here in the Weather Center for you. And then on Wednesday, we start off okay. And then later in the afternoon, we'll actually see a few scattered showers coming through. And don't expect anything severe out of that. And those rain chances actually coming down. That's the threat for severe weather for tomorrow. It's a 1 out of 5. That's low, but it's there. It's less than what we had on Saturday morning, but doesn't matter. We're going to be here in the Weather Center tracking for you no matter what. But look at this. Still, again, low to mid 80s for tomorrow. High, thin clouds, filtered sunshine, then the clouds thicken up and we get some storms developing. East winds to the south at 20 knots in the morning, going down to 10 knots. Moderate chop out there on the bay. Weekend looks good. Now, we do have another weak system coming through, so I put 20% on Saturday, only 10% on Sunday. But look at this, lower 80s both days. That's very comfortable. You can see the cooler air lifting out here. We're going to have another shot trying to come by, but that mainly stays to our north. And so we kind of keep the warmer air here in place. Look at this temperature forecast over the next 10 days. A little bit of a dip Wednesday, Thursday, warm up Friday. Very comfortable. A little bit above average, that's for sure, but still very comfortable for this time of the year. St. Patrick's Day's looking good, Josh. We're looking at temperatures near 80 degrees.
Drink up.